The Israelites had descended from Jacob and the Edomites from his brother Esau. We can see this in Genesis chapter 25 and verses 19 through 26. Instead of helping Israel and Judah when they were in need, Edom had allowed them to be destroyed and even had plundered what was left behind. Edom therefore acted like an enemy and would be punished. Anyone who does not help God's people is God's enemy. If you have withheld your help from someone in a time of need, this is sin, as per James 4:17. Sin includes not only what we do, but also what we refuse to do. Sin includes not only what we do, but also what we refuse to do. So don't ignore or refuse to help those in need. In this Obadiah, the minor prophet, we can see Edom is an example to all the nations that are hostile to God. Nothing can break God's promise to protect His people from complete destruction. In the book of Obadiah, we see 4 aspects of God's message of judgment. The first one is evil will certainly be punished. And second one, those faithful to God have hope for a new future. And third one, God is sovereign in human history. And fourth one, God's ultimate purpose is to establish His eternal kingdom. These are the 4 aspects of God's message of judgment that we see in Obadiah. The Edomites had been cruel to God's people. They were arrogant and proud, and they took advantage of others' misfortunes. Any nation that mistreats people who obey God will be punished, regardless of how invincible they appear. Similarly, we as individuals cannot allow ourselves to feel so comfortable with our wealth or security that we fail to help God's people. This is sin, and because God is just, sin will be punished.